6.2 talks about environmental objectives. You may be aware that there are some targets, objectives being, framed in ISO 9001, ISO 14001 also talks about those objectives. Objectives are nothing but targets. And what we expect here is your objective should be SMART. SMART is nothing but specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bound.
Time.
Am I clear this?
Yes.
I'm sure आपको ये मालूम है. That's what I feel. Or should I elaborate this?
नहीं पता है, स्मार्ट तो पता है.
Great. Because this is very generic now. Everyone knows this.
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, environmental objectives, whichever you choose for your organization, you need to ensure they are quantifiable. Huh? Don't put a generic statement that we will, protect environment, we will not do the pollution. ये सब statement नहीं चलेंगे. Specifically, क्या करने वाले हो आप? And whether it is quantifiable. क्या करने वाले हो? Target set करो. And time bound. कब तक करोगे? So guys, would you like to share any one example on this, if you have seen or you are working upon?
For example, some chemicals are there in the refinery, like sulfuric acid. It is highly corrosive, and
Yep.
so there will be a time bound, like to dispose it. So then there is a different plant to dispose all these hazardous chemicals. So whenever you remove sulfuric acid, so you have to immediately take it off. This is highly corrosive, and 99% it is there.
So this may be your part of a process which cannot be objective, by the way. Objective is something you are planning to achieve, so that you can, work towards environment के लिए काम करो, जहाँ पे either you can reduce air pollution or water pollution, you protect the environment. So this can be your one of the process goal, not the environmental objective. Okay. Yeah, Revati, would you like to share something on that?
Example.
Anyone example you think of? You may be working upon some projects on that.
Currently, waste management is something that we are working upon.
Excellent.
So, wherein
So
we
yes.
are talking about waste reduction at source itself. We are
Excellent.
basically so whatever is going into the landfill is what is being monitored. So uh, we are weighing our waste. We have tie-ups with vendors who are even in terms of scrap and e-waste, etc. So we have vendors who are certified, who are doing it as per the regulatory requirement कि e-waste ऐसा नहीं कि लेके गए यहाँ से और वो landfill में डाल दिया.
Superb.
So those kind of things.
Yeah. So again, coming to your point about objectives. Objectives are targets which companies take for environmental purpose, protection of environment over a period. Like 6 महीने में, 1 साल में हम कैसे उसको achieve करेंगे? Like you may say you have a target of waste management or reducing the waste. You may take a target that at present our wastage is about say more than 20%. So let's bring it down to 10% for next 1 year. So that can be your objective. You are reducing the waste by 10% in next 12 months or 18 months, whatever you feel like. So that's how you'll be formulating the objective.
Yeah. So similar, one more example I would like to give in terms of energy conservation. So हमारा जो electricity bill है, that is really going haywire because we've recently shifted our office, which is a bigger office with more lights and it's a more bigger spread of things. But here our objective was to reduce our electricity consumption by a minimum of 5% of what we were spending otherwise.
Okay.
So for that, we have ourselves put in occupancy sensors across the floor, including the washrooms, etc. And now we are monitoring our consumption, a month on month, as well as we are putting in more measures. Ki agar, initially, we did not have occupancy sensors in washrooms, which we got done. Then we have installed the dimmers. So we have our own Bajaj Smart technology. So we,
Excellent.
during the lunch time, we reduce the lighting from 70% to 30%.
Yeah. So that can be
burn off hota hai.
very good. So your objective is very clear about energy management or reducing the energy consumption, and this is your objective. And how you are doing is, so you are putting all these controls again, and this, so that your targets can be achieved. So this is how you should be taking the targets and objectives, and reviewing as an auditor. आपको उसको monitor करना है कि भैया ये कैसे होगा यहाँ पे,
Yes.
with the some time bound activity.